What's up, guys? This is my 1965 Toyota Corona, and today we're gonna get it back on the road. First thing first, this thing's got no battery in it. This is negative. This is positive. Let's make sure we've got oil. We're halfway full on oil. Got green coolant in it, so we can check if there's any gas. Unfortunately, this thing had a tree fall on it, so the trunk's broken. It was rusty as could be. I've got a boat tank in it. That's dry as a bone. Let's get some gas in it. Save a little bit in case I dump some in the carburetor. Need to get it running long enough to suck fuel out of the tank. Looks like this hose clamp came loose, which would explain it not pulling fuel. It's really hard to pull fuel when there's a leak. Oh, fuel filter's full. All right. Look at that. It's running. I'm not gonna say it's running absolutely amazing, but I think it's running well enough that I can go get the air compressor and try and back it out of here. Need to fill tires. That's part of why I love it. This thing has a cooler horn than every car made after the year 2000. All right, got the air compressor up there. We're gonna go ahead and fill these 2 flat tires, get it looking a little more proper. Dang. Look at that, now she's running. She's got 4 round tires. Maybe we can back her out of here and take her for a test drive. It's been a long time since she's seen any sort of road time, and 24 years since she's seen actual road times. Clutch pedal got stuck. Oh, well, that's not good. Clutch reservoir is dry. See if we can go find some brake fluid. Yeah! How? I had a completely dry clutch reservoir, similar to a brake reservoir, not supposed to run dry. I simply filled it up, and my clutch functions as it should now. I don't understand. This hood shuts and latches, so I don't know how that worked. I genuinely don't understand. I shouldn't have a clutch right now, but whatever. We're gonna take our wins. We're gonna get out of here. Oh no, stop! Stop! Alright, well, I'm sure you just saw, I just spilled pretty much the entire gas can, or gas tank out of this thing. If you come over here and see, this is the boat tank I have in there. It's got a little over a gallon left in it. And it's just run to the factory hard line down there through a soft line. But there's this gaping hole that stuff can fall in, and I hadn't strapped the tank down. I didn't even think about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna throw this strap on the tank and see if I can maybe romp this thing a little bit before we run out of gas. All right, I don't think it's gonna fall out again. I'm gonna get back in it. Hope that the fuel pump stayed primed because we just had trouble priming the fuel pump, and then we'll go take it for a rip. Boat tank strapped in, it kind of runs. I guess we could check if the fuel pump's lost prime. Cool, fuel pump is still full. Woo! Alright, so I'm pulling the fuel filter off. It sounded like it was having some runnability issues. Oh, yeah. Okay. There's some gunk in here. I could definitely see this being a runnability issue. All that stuff in there. Not supposed to be in there. Sweet, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this rinsed out and cleaned out, and maybe it'll run a little bit better. Alright, after fighting the fuel filter for 10 minutes trying to get it to seal again, we're gonna see if we can get it to run. Oh yeah! You can see there, right there, you can see the fuel line finally starting to rise. Yep, and the fuel filter is finally full of fuel, which means this thing might actually get fuel to the carburetor, which means it might actually run okay. Heck yeah! Cool. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hook the trailer up to the 4Runner so I can get this thing loaded, get the boat tank full of fuel as it stalls out on me. But for now, we're gonna get to loading this thing up. think this is one of my, if not my favorite vehicle in my fleet. I don't know why. I don't know what kind of joy it brings me, but the nostalgic joy this thing brings me is unmatched. Look at it. All right, and if you like this and you enjoyed this content, go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next, and join us next week. I'm going to be taking the 1965 Corona for a cruise, getting it up to date, and making sure everything's ready to turn this thing into my daily driver. Thank you very much for watching.